Hi, it's Nicole Perry from SunkissedAdventures back, and one of my kids with me. He's going to help me with the box again. We're going to look through what we got in this month's box. This is our second box, and I was looking at the pictures here on the front, and I saw a few things. It says the Land of Palms. I saw the Christ the Redeemer statue, so I immediately knew this must be from Brazil. So someone here was a little excited that we got the box and started to tear it open on the side, but I explained to him that it opens nicely from the top here. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the different things that we sent, and he's gonna give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down if he thinks that it sounds like something that would be good, and if he would like it, right? Okay, so let's go ahead, open the box like this, and it is Brazil, just like the first one we got from France. It has a map and it points out where certain things come from, just different facts. Different parts of the country specialize in different products. Also the book again, facts about the country and foods and language, some trivia, and then of course the breakdown of all of the individual snacks that are in here with nutrition content and background information. So this is always nice. I like to read it as I'm eating each individual thing so that I know a little bit more about what part of Brazil or the country that it comes from. All right, so let's see this first. You want me to look at this one? All right, so this says fruitful, and it has a picture of a pineapple on it. So I'm guessing these are fruit chews. They feel like they might be like a taffy or like a now and later.
What about gum?
It could be gum, but it's a pineapple fruit. You know what? I'm going to use the book right now while we go through it just so that I can tell you. So yes, it is a pineapple fruit chew, exactly what I was expecting it to be. So what do you think? Is it going to be you think it'll be a thumbs up or a thumbs down? You think it'll be a thumbs up. All right, so we'll put that to the side. We're not going to taste anything yet. All right, which one do you want to look at next? This one. All right, this one is dark chocolate with crisped rice. So I'm guessing it's probably similar to like a crunch bar.
Rice Krispie?
Like Rice Krispies in it, yes. So you see that, the little crunchy things? Like a crunch bar or crackle. What do you think? You think the thumbs up or thumbs down? It's dark chocolate though. You still think it would be thumbs up? Maybe. I like dark chocolate, but I know, kids sometimes don't. All right, what's the next snack? All right, this is interesting. It says Delicitos Sabor Pimenta, so there are some peppers on it, and these are a wheat snack with chili pepper seasoning. Chili peppers are a little spicy. So what do you think? Is that going to be a thumbs up or a thumbs down? You think it might be a thumbs down? Okay, we'll see.
I don't know.
All right, next. Corey Pau de Mel. And these are, let's take a look in our book to see what it is. These are chocolate cakes with chocolate coating and sprinkles. How does that sound? Chocolate cake with a chocolate coating and sprinkles. It's a honey bread cake. You think that would be a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Maybe somewhere in the middle, you're not sure. Okay, so we'll see. You can see like there's a little picture on the side. It's like a little cake thing. All right, what do you want to pick out of the box next? This one. This one looks interesting. Chocolate Bronco. This is white chocolate with caramel and banana. So that sounds interesting. What do you think of that? White chocolate with caramel and banana. You don't know. Somewhere in the middle again because you're not sure. Okay, pick another one. These are, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Cajadina see. These are cookies with Parmesan cheese and coconut flavor. That is an interesting mix. Parmesan and coconut. I personally might question that mix. What do you think? That's cheese and coconut? You think yes?
Yeah.
Okay, he thinks it might be a yes. Go ahead. We'll save that for last. That's the yum bag. That's just little candies. All right. Mandioca chips. These are cassava chips with onion and parsley. Interesting. So, like a potato chip. You don't want to sit on my lap anymore. Okay, go ahead. So these might be good. I don't know. Onion and parsley sounds good to me. And as long as it's like a salty snack, like similar to a potato chip, I feel like this might actually be tasty. So we'll see. I'm waiting for my son to come back. He said he wanted to get his own chair. Okay, here he comes with his own chair. Hopefully you can see us correctly. Hi again. All right, which one next? These. Ooh, sabor pipoca? Looks like popcorn to me. Let's look and see. They are corn puffs with a popcorn flavor. Yeah, he loves popcorn, so this would be something that he would really like. Oh, and they make other flavors too. All right. Well, the nice thing about Universal Yums is after you get your box, if there are certain things that you stop moving it. Okay. I didn't want the table to the camera to fall. The nice thing is that you can actually go on their website, and a lot of this stuff you can then order more of if you liked it. Like last month, we really liked the strawberry chews from France. And I considered buying some extras. All right, which next? Bibs. This is white chocolate with strawberries. What do you think?
Do you like it?
Oh, I'm asking you. Oh, he says he's not sure. I don't really like white chocolate. I will try these because it's fun.
That's mint.
No, not mint. White chocolate is just like doesn't taste like chocolate. It's just creamy and sweet. So you think, I think. All right, let's see, what's this one? Pipoca Bilboo, sweetened popcorn. I wonder if it's like a kettle corn or something. Sweetened popcorn, but it doesn't look like actual popcorn in here. It's more like a corn snack. No? You don't think so? Sweetened popcorn? It smells?
I can smell it from here.
I don't smell anything. Maybe you have a really good nose. All right, and last we have the little yum bag, which usually comes with some little candies. So let's take a look and see what comes in the yum bag. In the yum bag, we have lime pie flavored caramel. Maybe like key lime pie, similar. And passion fruit flavored caramel. So which sounds better, lime or passion fruit?
Lime.
You think lime? I think the lime might also taste better, but we'll see. So our plan is to record us sampling some of these over the next few days, which will be pretty easy because we are currently kind of sitting in limbo. I'm sure many people are at the same time with the coronavirus. Schools here have been shut down. His soccer has been canceled, so there's a lot of spare time. So we will probably be recording us sampling these and letting you know how good they are. Thank you for